In this video, we will show you the step-by-step installation of the Campania International FT-325 Meridian Fountain. First, make sure you have all the proper tools and parts laid out before you start your installation. Then make sure that the base is level before you begin pump installation. Using a cover to avoid chips or scratches, lay the small bowl inside the main basin. You will need to feed the cord for the LED light through the hole in the center of the small bowl before placing the light. Once this is done, slide the black O-ring around the rim of the light towards the bottom. Then attach the black non-kink tubing. Then, placing the wire in the cutout of the hole in the small bowl, begin to feed the non-kink tubing through the same hole as well. Try to keep the wire in place while doing this by tugging it out the bottom simultaneously. Then fit the light into the hole snugly, pressing down to ensure the seal. Using the hose clamp provided, attach the output of the pump to the non-kink black tubing and tighten the hose clamp with a Phillips head screwdriver. Take both wires, one for the light and one for the pump, and zip tie them together, one at the bottom, the middle, and the top of the wires. Make sure to place one wire end behind the other and zip tie them together at the bottom. You must arrange the wires this way so that they fit together down the channel. Once the wires are tied, slide them down the center channel of the base. Lean the fountain to one side and have someone else pull the wires through the bottom out to the side. Use the putty from the pump kit and wrap it around the two wires below the pump, leaving about a foot of room between the stopper and the pump. Slide the stopper around the putty, leaving some sticking out through the slit of the stopper. Then cut off the excess. Place the stopper down into the drainage hole and press it firmly into place. We recommend that you use the back of a screwdriver or hammer to make sure that the stopper is in well. Now it's time to place the pump house for your fountain. Gather the cords again and slide them through the slit in the pump house. Position it in the center of the basin with the pump and stopper in the center, and then place the small bowl on top of the pump house. Now attach the LED transformer and pump to the power cord. Fill your fountain with water and your installation is complete.